This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Google Docs in 30 minutes. Today, I'm going to show you the best Gmail feature most people don't use or don't use enough, and that is Google Contacts. If this video helps, please subscribe and like the video. Let's get started. So basically, to find Google Contacts in Gmail, go to the waffle menu, click that, and then you'll see an icon that looks like a person. Just tap that. That will open up Google Contacts. You can also open it up directly inside Gmail by clicking the same icon that's on the right side of the screen. Click that, and that shows you all the contacts that you have. This is basically kind of like a phone book for your Gmail account, and I'm going to explain some other benefits shortly. To add a contact to Google Contacts, it's easy. So just open up an email, and then hover over the next to the name of the person or the company, hover over that icon. You'll see a little symbol. It looks like a plus with a person's shoulders. Just click that, add to contacts, and then that will be in your contacts list. So when I open that up, I should see YouTube, and there it is right there in this thread. And then if I open up contacts, you'll see it's at the bottom right there. So why is this so great? Why is Google Contacts so important? The number one reason is it integrates with Android and it integrates with iOS. So if you have an iPhone, you can set it up so all your Google contacts start showing up on your phone. So when somebody calls you and it's recognized as the same number, if the number is stored in Google Contacts, it'll show up. So this is really a huge time saver. I use it every day, and I hope that you can try it out. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.